Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Alight Motion app. So let's get started. First, open up the Alight Motion app on your phone. Once you're inside, you'll actually notice that there's not an option for you to change the settings or the language settings inside the Alight Motion itself. So the only way to change the language is by updating the language settings on your device. And here's how to do that. So you want to close the app and head over to your phone settings. Then from here, you want to scroll down until you find General Management. Then as you can see here from this page, there's an option called App Languages. Tap this. And from here, you can already pick any language you want. Just go ahead and choose what language you prefer for the app. And after that, set your preferred language as the main one. Once your device language changes, Alight Motion will automatically switch to match your phone's language. And that's it. That's how you change the language in the Alight Motion app. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!